Right here, today we're doing another DIY video. Today we're doing Kevin the Cube for Fortnite. Let's get to that. So I already had it in, used the hot glue to glue this part shut. I used the super glue to glue the side shut. Now it's time to paint. So I started off with gray paint to primer it, and I did it like twice just to get to cover all the stuff that was on the box. And now we have a gray cube, and then we're going to use this purple one. So I finally painted this purple. I did it like several times, like not several. I painted like a couple more times, just cover all the gray. And now I'm gonna do like the writing that's on the cube. So I'm gonna use paint for the writing. Also, let you guys know I tried painting this, but it's not really working out. So here's another method. What I did, I trace out the symbols in this piece of paper. Usually, it's not going to cut it. I'm going to use here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to like place it on the cube, and then use this pink spray paint and just spray it over it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use more purple paint to cover this up, and then I'm going to use the spray paint method. So guys, this is Kevin the Cube for Fortnite. I had to do that on each side, that's why it's taking me for a while. It's pretty good. So then, that's all it's running here. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, ring the bell for notifications, and all that. That's all it's running here. I'll see you next time. Bye.